Hi everyone, Peter from Cho Emporium here. So in this video we're going to be making this special little card. Ta-da. So you're going to need the card, plastic, a sheet of card, pencil, glue, scissors, plastic pens and a stapler, or you could just use tape. I'll show you how to do it now. So first thing you're going to do is take your card and then fold that over the paper. And that's going to give us a size for the template. So you're going to cut that out, okay. Put a pencil mark around it, and then you're going to cut it out, but you're going to leave a gap along the edge. I'll show you. So leave about that much. Pop that inside so it sits at the bottom with a space either side and a space at the top. And then you can just use glue or sellotape. I'm just going to use a stapler just because it's quick and easy. Next, we're going to draw out a window, like in this one. So I'm going to use a pair of scissors. So you're just going to draw out a window shape, just roughly. There's your window shape. So next, we just need another piece of card that'll go behind this one. You can pop your card in again. Draw around it. This one cut out on the line. So that bit there, that's where you're going to draw on this card. Yeah. You're going to just draw a shape with your pencil. I'm just going to do a big smiley face. So on this one, you want to colour it in. Whatever colour you're doing. Next, you need your plastic, and you're going to cut out a bit of plastic that's the same size. So to make it easier, what you can do is you can put it at the top, and you can sellotape it, you glue it. I'm just going to staple it. That'll be easy to cut it out. Now you've got your drawing with the plastic on. And you're going to take your felt tip pens, it's best to use like a thermal one just so it stays on the plastic, and then you're going to draw around your shape like so. Like so. Take your card, this bit here, you're going to top the coloured bit behind and then the plastic bit in front. And next, all you need to do is glue the edge shut. I'm just going to staple it just because it's quick. So now you've got your drawing, and when you pull it out, it's all coloured in, as if by magic.